Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed here. Welcome to the 13th video lecture of class 7. Yes, I hope you are all safe, staying inside, and doing your work properly. And for today's lecture, we have this activity B1 here. It says that find the words in the poem which may have been described in the following way. The star in the center of our solar system, I believe that's Sun, and the Earth's only natural satellite, it is Moon. And for appropriate or correct, the proper word is actually proper. That's ironic. And the first appearance of light in the sky and the sun rising in the beginning of the day signs or signals. This word is dawn, well known, commonly seen or heard, easily recognized. The word is familiar. And for the next one, the vague idea of suspicion about affect. Actually, the answers are already given here. You can copy them from there too. And for the G, the perception of somebody has been before and is known, the recognition. And for H, a vague idea of suspicion about the fact, person, or event. The word is inkling. Yes. And for centered and relaxed, the word is comfortable. And for the limb, the word is member. And an insect of the order Lepidoptera, and the word is actually here butterfly. Yes. And heat, affection, yes, I believe the word is heat, affection, and friendliness. The word is warmth. You can write that on your books here. And until next video.